Have you ever heard someone say, "That hits close to home"? Imagine you are watching a movie about a family. Suddenly, you feel a little sad because it reminds you of your own family. This feeling is what we call hitting close to home. Understanding this will help you talk about your feelings better. Let's look at a funny mistake. My friend Tom once heard this phrase and got very worried. He thought a baseball actually hit his house. He went outside to check for a broken window. Poor Tom. It wasn't about his house. It was about how he felt inside. So, what does it mean? To hit close to home means a situation affects you because it relates to your personal life. The word home here represents your heart or your past. People started using it this way a long time ago. It is not about physical distance. It is about emotional impact. It's when something is very personal to you. Now, let's see the correct way to use it. Sarah lost her job last month. Today, she saw a news story about layoffs. Sarah said, "That news story really hit close to home." She felt sad because she was in the same situation. See, she used it to describe how the news affected her feelings, not her house. Here is an example. The movie about a sick dog hit close to home after my pet died. This means the movie felt very personal. Another one, his joke hit close to home because I am also very shy. The joke reminded the speaker of their own struggle. To remember this, think of an arrow hitting a target, but the target is inside your house. Remember, home is where your heart is. If it hits close to home, it hits your heart. Did you know? A famous song called "Home Sweet Home" from 1823 helped make the word home feel very emotional to people. In movies like Silver Linings Playbook, many people said the story hit close to home because it showed real family struggles. English speakers value family and personal feelings. This idiom reflects those deep cultural values. Similar phrases are hit home, strike a chord, or touch a nerve. They all mean something feels very personal. An opposite phrase is miss the mark. That means it didn't relate to you at all. A common mistake is using it for distance. Don't say, "The store is hit close to home." Just say, "The store is near my house." Also, we usually use this for serious or sad things, not just happy things. It is about a deep, sometimes painful feeling. Quick quiz. What does hit close to home mean? A, to hit a building. B, to be very personal. Or C, to live nearby. The answer is B. Great job! You now know how to use this powerful idiom to talk about your personal feelings. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. See you in the next video.